Ah! Oh! I tried tackling him. Hold on, get this one on camera. Oh shoot! Oh, don't worry, I got the other. I got the ghost too. Get up. Oh, I ran out. I ran out of stuff. He's running. He's running. Okay, okay, this way, this way. Yeah. Hey, your native tongue, below. Oh. The British is after me. Thought I heard a second one. He's running. Oh. Guys, he's over there. The other guy's dead. Got the Chorby? Who's that? Oh! Guys, it's the guy who throws bombs. I found out. Damn, son. Alright, I'm gonna run up to him and go. Go. Okay, he's gone. I don't think he can get up here, guys. Backflip.